Aha! Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and children of all ages. Right, in this segment, which is the second video today already, and it's only about 7:36. Right, just before I get into the meat and two veg of this video, and pun was intended because there's meat. Right, I'm having Batchelors super noodles at the moment in the microwave, but instead of just having normal, like the curry powder you get with it, I've sprinkled a tiny little bit of that in it. Tiny little bit of that. And a tiny little bit of that, just a wee sprinkle, like sprinkle like that, on the bottom of like the wee microwavable dish, and then I've got two of those sticks, and cut them with scissors about that length, and put it in beside it, and when it cools down enough after it's cooked to taste it, and if it isn't thick, then I'll add the curry powder. That to be precise. The toaster's just popped because I'm having two crumpets with spreadable pistachio cream. I've just put them back in the toaster for another 30 seconds, felt them and they didn't feel absolutely hot because they were frozen from the freezer because they were up yesterday. Anyhow, so if it will taste very fragrant actually because that and then the three different individual spices, tikka curry powder, tandoori spice blend and peri peri seasoning. That is good on anything. That it just takes something from there to there, like gives it oomph. It gives it oomph. That's very fragrant and warm. That's very spicy and aromatic, but it's not real spicy. And then that's just spicy, warm and aromatic. Right, so if it's not thick enough or it's not oomphed enough, I'll put that in it and it'll give it oomph. Well, I will have oomph, but... Right, I'm waffling on a bit here. I'll just pause you and then get back to you in a minute. Right, so I'm having that while that cools down because I'm starving, because before I came down my stomach was rumbling, and then over there I'm brewing a cup of, well, I'll show you actually then. Yeah. That Yorkshire tea. 50 extra free tea bags, 210 tea bags for the price of 160. Yorkshire is one of my all-time favourites. Yorkshire, Twining English Breakfast, PG Tips and Tetley, but I've not had Tetley in ages, like proper Tetley. Right, here goes. Oh no, wait. Right, I'll finish this video in a minute and then I'll get back to you and do another one. Right. I'm just going to try this, end it, and then I'll do the video I was originally going to do, but I've waffled on for 3.5 minutes, so it's not going to be what it was originally going to be, but I'll do it in another video. Oh, I can't wait to try this. It's got to be so fragrant. There's 4 different flavours in that. When you combine all the flavours together, it's like a curry. All that is all that combined. You're going to have fragrant and warmth, spice and aromatic and warmth, and then a bit of meatiness because of them. They're stunning. £1.79 in home bargains. In fact, I should pause you for a minute because this is mainly what this video is about. It's about these Batchelors super noodles, but my version. See, that's a good thing, right? You can have everyday noodles, ones that you boil in a pan, but in the end, when you taste them, you can have them to your liking, and it's good, right? If you find a noodle brand that you like, just experiment, because you can cook the noodles au naturel with just water, and then you can put like seasoning, chicken, sweet corn, like chopped up pieces of bacon, maybe bits of pork and stuff like that. You could chop up bits of chorizo and put it in it. The world is your oyster. You don't always have to have the normal or like read our recipe to its inch. Do what you want. That's what food's all about. If everyone was just doing what it said or doing the norm, nothing would move on and become what it is. And plus, if everyone in the world cared what other people think, you wouldn't have people like David Bowie, Mark Bolan, Lady Gaga, the Rolling Stones, the Beatles, or you wouldn't have Freddie Mercury. Aye, you wouldn't have people like that if the world cared about what other people think. So, absolutely steaming hot, but here goes. It's missing something. It's just missing that edge. Needs a bit of salt maybe, but maybe it'll improve better in a couple of minutes once it's cooled down a wee bit more. Right, I'm going to finally end this video and indeed the video was meant to do before I started this video. Right, just wait a couple of minutes and I'll get back to you. Filthy animals.